In this video, I am going to break down one of the best day trading strategies that can be applied to Forex, crypto, and stock markets. This is the exact strategy I would recommend for beginners or struggling traders who want to gain an edge and work toward consistent profits. This strategy is built around price action, combining market structure, pullbacks, and advanced candlestick entry techniques. So, if that's something you are interested in learning, kindly hit the like button. Also, subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell to stay informed whenever we make new videos. So, without further ado, let's get started. So this strategy focuses on capturing impulsive moves in a volatile trending market. It consists of three main steps, which includes identifying the market direction, waiting for a valid pullback, and a candlestick-based confirmation entry. Let's begin with step 1, which is identifying the market direction. The idea here is straightforward. We want to trade in line with the dominant trend of the market. So to make it easy, we apply the 50-period exponential moving average. I believe we are all familiar with the exponential moving average. Here's how it works. If price breaks above the moving average and creates a new high, the trend is considered bullish. Conversely, if price breaks below the moving average and creates a new low, we consider it a bearish trend. For example, here price broke above the 50-period moving average and the prior market structure, creating a new high. This confirms that the market is in a bullish trend. So, since we've established the direction, we can move on to the next steps and start looking for long trade opportunities. The same principle applies in a bearish scenario. In this example, price breaks below the 50-period moving average and previous market structure to create a new low. This indicates a bearish trend, and we should start focusing on selling opportunities. Aligning your trades with the prevailing trend is very important because it will increase your win rate and the overall risk-to-reward potential of your setups. Since we've covered how to determine the market direction, let's move to the next step, which is waiting for a valid pullback. But why exactly do we wait for a pullback? The reason is simple. Pullbacks provide safer and more strategic entry points. Instead of chasing the market after an impulsive move, we allow price to temporarily retrace. This retracement often enables us to enter the market at a better price, thereby increasing the probability of catching the next impulsive move in the direction of the trend. In other words, waiting for a pullback ensures we're not entering at overextended prices, but rather at points where the market is offering better value and higher probability setups. Now, how do we identify a valid pullback? In a bullish scenario, we first want to see price break above the 50-period moving average and create a new high. Then, we want to see price retrace back to the moving average and get rejected from it. This rejection might appear with candle wicks or just a single candle that briefly closes below the moving average. However, the price must quickly return back within the range. If it fails to do so, the setup is considered invalid. The same goes to a bearish trend. We first want to see price break below the 50-period moving average and create a new low. Then we want to see price retrace back to the moving average and get rejected from it. The third step is executing the entry. So far, we've focused on analyzing market conditions, which includes identifying the dominant trend, waiting for a pullback to secure a better price, and using market structure to support our analysis. But to transform these conditions into a complete strategy, we also need clear entry confirmation. In other words, we must define the exact signal that tells us when to enter a trade and when to exit, whether the setup works in our favor or not. Here, we make use of two candlestick patterns that indicate the potential end of a pullback and the beginning of a new impulsive move. These patterns are essentially advanced engulfing candlestick pattern, which is widely recognized as one of the most reliable reversal signals in price action trading. This pattern is made up of two candlesticks, where the second candle is of the opposite color and completely engulfs the body of the first candle. However, for it to serve as a valid entry point in the pullback strategy, it has to meet specific criteria. In the first variation, the green candle's body must be larger than that of the red candle. Secondly, there must be a clear color change, and the green candle also has a lower low than the previous one. meaning that the green candle formed the swing low. When all these conditions are met, that becomes our confirmed entry point for the pullback strategy. So we place the trade at the close of the green candle and set our stop loss just below it as our swing low. That is entry number 1. Now, let's take a look at entry number 2. The second engulfing pattern is quite similar to the first one. In this case, the green candle closes above the previous candle. However, the green candle itself did not form a swing low. This setup can still be used as an entry signal, only if the red candle has created a lower low than the previous candle. The same logic applies in bearish market scenarios as well. Now, let's bring everything together with some real chart examples. But before we proceed, it's important to note that this strategy is not limited to a specific time frame. It can be applied across all time frames. However, my personal preference is the 1-hour time frame. Here on the Bitcoin 1-hour chart, we can see that price is clearly trading above the 50-period moving average and has recently created a new high, confirming a bullish trend. Now, after the impulsive move, we expect price to retrace back toward the moving average. Once it touches the moving average, we look for signs of rejection to confirm the pullback. And as you can see, price rejected it using the wick of the small red candle. Now that the pullback is confirmed, the next step is to wait for a bullish engulfing candle to form. And as you can see here, price gave this green candle which totally engulfs the body of the previous red candle, signaling that the pullback has likely ended and the next impulsive move is about to begin. When all these conditions are met, we place a buy position at the close of the bullish engulfing candle. Our stop loss is placed just below the swing low created by the pullback, while our target is set at a minimum of 2 times the risk. And watching the trade play out, you can see how price pushed up to our target, eventually resulting in a profitable trade. So this setup ensures we're trading with the dominant trend, entering at a discounted level, and using a high probability candlestick confirmation for entry. Now, let's look at a bearish example. Here on the Euro-Dollar 1-hour chart, price is clearly trading below the 50-period moving average and has recently created a new lower low, confirming a bearish market direction. After forming the new low, price begins to pull back towards the moving average. Now, as price retests the moving average, we wait for signs of rejection. And as you can see, price rejected it with the wick of this green candle. Now, since we have seen this rejection, the next step is to look for our confirmation candlestick. But in this case, the second candle failed to engulf the previous one. So we wait for more candles to form. And finally, we got this bearish engulfing candle here. This signals that the pullback has ended and the next impulsive move is about to continue. We then place a sell position at the close of the bearish engulfing candle, placing our stop loss just above the most recent swing high created during the pullback, and our target set at a minimum of 2 times the risk. And watching the trade play out, you can see how price pushed downwards, eventually hitting our target and resulting in a profitable trade. By sticking to these rules for entering trades based on market conditions and clear entry signals, your trading becomes systematic, objective, and easy to follow. And as you already know, keeping things simple is often the path to consistent profitability. So guys, at this point, you have everything you need to start backtesting the strategy to see how it plays out in real time. If you found this video helpful, kindly hit the like button and comment what topic you would like us to cover next.